Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Right? Let us take let let the length let the length let the of each side length of each side of the cube of the cube be L, right? The surface area of the cube, it is given that surface area of the cube surface area of the cube is equal to 600 centimeter square. 600 centimeter square, and we know that surface area of a cube surface area of a cube surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. Therefore, according to the question, 6L square is equal to 600, or L square is equal to 600 by 6, that is equal to 100. Therefore, L is equal to square root of 100, square root of 100, that can be written as square root of 10 into 10, that is equal to 10 centimeter, right? Therefore, we find that the side of the cube is 10 centimeter. Therefore, the length of each side of the cube is 10 centimeter, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.